Hello and welcome to Coder. In this video, we're going to configure Visual Studio Code for PHP development using IIS Express. Before configuring Visual Studio Code for PHP development, we need PHP and IIS Express installed on our machine. I have already installed PHP and IIS Express on my machine. Here is the IIS Express and PHP installation folder having the executable file. We need the path to the executable file to configure Visual Studio Code for PHP development. Open Visual Studio Code and start configuring. Go to Settings. Type in PHP in the search box. That'll bring up PHP related settings. Set the PHP executable path in the settings.json. Get the path to the PHP executable. This is the PHP executable file. Copy the path and paste. The path must have a double slash. Also, if you want to set the debug executable path, you can set that in the settings.json as well. And then we're going to set the IIS Express settings. Type in IIS in the search box and set the IIS Express add command path. Also set the IIS Express executable path. That's all we have to do in the settings to start developing PHP applications in Visual Studio Code. If you want to have a different browser, you can set that or keep that default. Since we are using IIS Express to debug and run PHP applications, we need a PHP Express extension for VS Code. I have already installed a IIS Express extension for VS Code. The extension provides commands to start, stop, and restart the website. We're going to create a sample PHP application. Create a folder, name it as PHP app. Inside the folder, we're going to have an index file with .php extension. In the index.php, add the PHP HTML markup, change the title. In the body tag, just echoing a string. My first PHP app using IIS Express. So for IIS Express we need a web.configuration file. For Apache servers we use a .htaccess configuration file. This is the translation for htaccess to web.config. Copy the web.config file to the PHP project folder. We have rewrite rules, default document set, and other configuration settings. Okay, we're ready to run the application. IIS Express website. So we have our PHP application running in the browser. Add some more text in the index.php file. Just going hello world. Come back and refresh. Here we have it.